Okay, you want to create a logo for your YouTube channel, am I right? Yes, because your logo is your brand. So in this video, I will show you exact process to create professional logo from your mobile phone using PicsArt app. So please make sure you watch this video until the end.
Okay.
And we are starting right now. Okay friends, I'm here on my mobile screen, and to create a logo for your YouTube channel, just open the PicsArt app. And if you haven't downloaded this app, then check the link in the description below. And after you open the PicsArt app, just click here on the plus icon and scroll down to the very bottom, and here you have to choose the color background for your logo. So I will be choosing red color from here, and since our logo is going to be in a circular form, so we have to crop this in a circle form. And for that, just click here on the tools and click here on the shape crop and choose here circle, and you can adjust your circle from here. And after you have done it, just click right here, and you can apply the stroke to your circle from here. So I will give the stroke of 8 and save right here, and you can see we have created a background for our logo. Now it's time to add text on our logo, and for that, just scroll down here and click the text button here. So here I want to write TM in the upside and Techie Man in the downside. TM is just the short form of Techie Man. So first of all, I will write T here and place it to right here. And also you can choose font style for your text right from here. So I will be choosing permanent marker font, and you can choose the color for your text from right here. So I will choose here the yellow color and just resize it. And after you have resized it, just click the right button here. Now I will again add the am text, same like that. And after you have resized the text like this, you can just click here the right button. And now it's time to write here Techie Man. For that, again click the text button here and write Techie Man. And after that, just click the right button and place it to right here in the bottom. And after that, I will choose the random font style for this Techie Man, and I will choose the color for this text. I will choose the black color, and I will give the white stroke to the color. And now it's time to bend this text like this. So, and after you adjust this text, just click the right button. And now the last step here is to add the photo to your logo. And for that, just click add photo right here and choose any photo you want. So I will be choosing this subscribe picture right here, and I will just place it right here. This simply means subscribe TM, subscribe Techie Man. So if you want to download this subscribe picture, then I have given the link in the description. You can just go and download. So after you add the subscribe picture right here, just click the right button, and now it's time to export the image. And for that, just click here on this button and click on the gallery, and you can see your logo has been successfully saved into your gallery. Now you can just go to your YouTube profile and change your profile picture, and you can just click done here, and you are done. Okay, finally you have seen how easily we can create simple but professional logo for our YouTube channel. And if you are starting a YouTube channel and want some help, then you must check this YouTube how to playlist, where you can find videos like how to create a YouTube channel, thumbnails, intros, outros, logos, and literally everything. And also, if you are new on this channel, Techie Man, please make sure subscribe.
Do it! Just do it!
Right, and until then, you can just check this YouTube playlist.